Yeah, so we were studying about different different functions of digestive systems, digestive organs. Okay, so I told you stomach. I told you about chyme is the mushy mix of food that passes from the stomach. After in the stomach it is being mixed, it is called as chyme, which goes to the small intestine. Small intestine, remember, it is responsible for nutrients absorption. In large intestines, water and nutrients are absorbed, leaving the waste. Okay, nutrients are absorbed, but most of the nutrients are absorbed in small intestine. Usually, it leaves waste in the large intestine, and water is absorbed in the large intestine. So we have discussed about the different parts of the digestive system. Now, coming here to where nutrients are absorbed, the digestion of nutrients in the small intestine take place with the help of three organs that attach to the small intestine. What are those three organs which is responsible for secretion of juice? One is pancreas, liver. Okay, what does pancreas do? Girls, remember pancreas is pancake. I used to do that. What is your pancake doing? It is responsible for breaking down proteins, carbohydrates, fats, nucleic acid. Again, girls, there are three different organs that help to absorb nutrients or that is involved in digestions and that is attached to small intestine. That is PLG, pancreas, liver, and gallbladder. Now, see, learn each function carefully. Pancreas, remember pancakes, they had protein, they break down protein, carbohydrates, fats, and nucleic acid. What does this liver do? Liver, remember a bottle where bile juice is written. Okay, when I say liver, remember bile juice. What does this bile juice do? Okay, it releases a mixture called bile that is stored in gallbladder. This bile is stored in gallbladder. What does this bile do? It breaks up large fat droplets into very small fat droplets. They are talking about only fat droplets, whereas in pancreas, we spoke about proteins, carbohydrates, fats, and nucleic acid. So read it again and again, this paragraph, so as to know the difference between the pancreas and liver. For liver, you will remember the bile juice, and for the droplets of oil or fats, and pancreas, you will remember many things. That's proteins, carbohydrate, fats, and nucleic acid. Again, here in small intestine and in large intestine. In small intestine, nutrients are broken down, they're absorbed into bloodstream and used by the body cells. Okay, nutrients, whatever we eat, they get absorbed. Like example, you eat orange today, so vitamin C is taken up by the large intestine, absorbed, and then you get vitamin C in your body cells. Now, the inside wall, this is very important. Focus to answer your online questions. The inside wall of small intestine has three features. They have to absorb in the folds, villi, microvilli. Okay, like example, three layers: folds, villi, and microvilli. First, the wall of small intestines have many folds. These folds increase the surface area inside the intestine wall. As I told you before, also it's 6 meter long, creating more room for nutrients to be absorbed. Each fold is covered with tiny finger-like projections. Very important, girls, again. Each fold is covered with tiny finger-like projections called villi. In turn, the villi are covered with projections called microvilli. First villi, and then they are covered with microvilli. Microvilli is responsible to increase the surface area of the villi. Okay, so remember, girls, very important. Villi, it's what is it? It is finger-like projections inside the intestine. Now coming to your large intestine. It removes water from mostly digested food, absorbs vitamins, and turns food waste into semi-solid waste called feces. What we excrete out, our stool, it's called feces. It's semi-solid waste. Some parts of food, such as the cell walls of plants, cannot be absorbed by the body. Bacteria live in the large intestine that feed off this undigested food. Okay, it feeds on this undigested food which was left behind.